Welcome to Virtual VBS. My name is Jan Kunert and I have some people here I'd like to introduce to you today. On my right is
Bryant.
Over here on my left is
Ocean.
And way over here, my helper today is
Lucas.
All right, and these gentlemen are going to be working through the crafts and activities for day 4. Day 4 today is the Joy Day. And we're going to be celebrating God's creation through all sorts of joyful products and things. I think you're going to like it. Our Bible verse today is Isaiah 55, verse 12. For you shall go out in joy and be led forth in peace. The mountains and the hills before you shall break forth into singing, and all the trees of the field shall clap their hands. So again, I'm going to just point out our banner. This is on behalf, just want to give a little plug here for Jean Ginder, who brought these banners in for us. And this one is in particular that showed God's creation. We kind of lit it up. And then we also, we also have another banner that shows all the kind of seasons. And you can see how many relate to nature. You can see like fire and stars and things. So yep, so we have the banners and we wanted to show those to you. Our first activity today, I'm going to show the picture. This is just kind of a prototype of what it could look like. And what we're going to be using today are juice boxes. And these gentlemen are going to put on smocks and things like this so that they can get ready to paint. They have, what we're using today are little sponges, little sponge things. They can use the edge or the side, they can use whatever, they're kind of fun to use. What we took was a juice box and we used basically a box cutter or a razor knife. I would have mom or dad use it because they're very sharp. Okay, some we just cut freehand. See if you can find the hole in the box. And I'm going to get off.
Found it.
Did you? Great.
I found it.
I'm going to give this to Grant and have him make a knot at the two ends. You're going to go like this here. I'll tie your ends together. I can do yours. Just going to take it like this. Just make a loop and bring the two ends in. This might be the hardest thing we have to do today with this craft. Okay. Perfect. All right. So what we're going to do with this, now obviously this could get full of paint, I know that, but we're just going to kind of leave this, let's just kind of wrap this up like this for right now. Yep, so you can get started anytime, guys. We'll start painting.
So we can get started right now?
Yep, right now. Go ahead. Leave it out. Your mom had appreciate that. So these are the three we have. Yep, this is Grant's, this is Ocean, and this is Lucas. Hello, welcome again to Virtual VBS. Part of day 4, we are celebrating joy in God's creation. And we've been working with all sorts of activities dealing with birds. We did a bird feeder, and now we're going to do another bird feeder because we thought it would be so much fun using bird seeds. We're just going to use kind of common materials that you have around the house to do this. So what we have here, toilet paper roll, kind of a wooden skewer kind of thing. This is kind of a large one. This is so the birds can perch on here. We have some string that we're going to tie on the ends that we can tie up. And then what we're going to be doing is putting peanut butter all over our toilet roll on the outside, and we're going to roll it in our little containers here of bird seed. Put it in your dish. Take a bunch because you're going to be putting it on the outside. Go right ahead. You can have a giant one. Got your spoon ready?
Okay,
Start
ready.
putting all your peanut butter on it, okay?
Did you just-
Okay. Once you get done, we have some pretzels, guys, and you're going to be able to have some pretzels.
Yay!